name is Ashley, and today I'll be teaching you how to do 2 different types of chin stands with a warm-up. So let's get started. If you're not in a place where you can do this video with me right now, add the video to your watch later and join me whenever you can. All right, you guys, let's get started with a warm-up. I'm gonna start easy, just in child's pose, and warm up my back. So reaching as far forward as you can, keeping those arms as straight as possible so you get the maximum stretch in that upper back. Take some nice deep breaths here to really open up that upper back. One more breath in. I'm going to take my left hand and thread it through just to get a nice twist in my back. We're going to do some back stretches and warm up so that we have no problem getting our legs up and over our head for those chin stands. And second arm, thread it through and twist. Deep breaths. Nice, you guys. Let's come up to a little cat-cow, arching that back in and arching it up. And again, in and relax it up. One more time, in and out. I'm going to roll it around to the right, just getting the full mobility in my neck and my spine. And reverse it. Nice, you guys. I'm going to come forward into my cobra, looking at the sky. If you can't do that, go on your forearms and reach up with your head. And come down. Relax. And one more time. Cobra it up. Roll it down. I lied. We're going to do that one more time because that's a great stretch. And breathe in to exhale up. And down. Coming back up all the way to my knees. I'm going to go ahead, lean it back, and I'm going to grab my ankles. If they're too far away from you, just press your hands on the back of your legs and lift up with your chest. If not, let's go ahead and reach it back. Just opening up that chest and the lower back. Breathing in here. Relax. Gently come up. Nice, you guys. One more time. Just a quick little child's pose over. Just stretch out that back. And roll it up. Let's come on our back. We're going to go ahead and do a bridge 3 times just to stretch out our back even more. All right, I'm going to start with my feet planted hip width apart, bringing those fingertips back till they hit the ground, palms on the ground, and you're going to put pressure in your hands and your feet and come up. Breathing in. And head to the ground, shoulders, hips, and legs. Nice, you guys. We're gonna do that 2 more times. Again, start with your fingertips, palms on the ground, feet hip width apart, and press up. And down slow. Nice, you guys. Let's do that 1 more time. All right. Last time. Make sure to breathe. And roll it down slow. All right, let's bring our knees over to one side, arms the other direction, and just give it a nice little twist. Just relax. I know that might have been a lot, so just give it a rest, give it a twist. And the second side. Nice, you guys. Back to neutral, let's come up. And one more time, we're just going to stretch the back in the child pose. Every time I bend my back all the way one way, I like to give it a nice stretch in the opposite direction, just to make sure it doesn't get overstretched. All right, let's get into the chin stands. I'm going to teach you the form I like to use, and then I will show you what it looks like. So for the front one, I know a lot of people will sometimes roll into it, but I have found that there's a good chance that you can bust your chin open if you roll into it. So the way I like to do it is I start with my hands in the shape of a diamond. Essentially, you're going to want to put your chin in the diamond, and that will be the post of what holds you up. So this is how you're going to get into it, starting here, or you can go here and kind of crawl forward into it, or just start from here and go forward into it. But this is how your arms are going to be. Again, diamond, elbows out, chin in the diamond. All right? So you're gonna want all that forward motion to help bring your legs over your head. And it all has to happen in one motion, or else you're gonna come crashing back down, okay? So I'll show it once, and I was so nervous and then I jinxed myself. Okay. All right, I'll go ahead and show it once so you can see what it looks like. I'm gonna come forward and roll it out. I actually do put my elbows a little closer in to support the weight of my upper body. So I lied, don't put the elbows out, keep them in diamond shape, and your chin goes in between your hands. All right, you guys, now you try with me. Ready? All right, and good job. Stretch it out into that child's pose positions. Breathing in and out. Next, I'm going to show you guys a side chin stand, which I like a lot because it's kind of a smoother transition. You can add it to dance choreography, and I'm basically just going to start with my legs one way, And again, my arms are going to be vertical like this to support my upper body while my legs go over. So basically, your legs will kind of look like this in the air, essentially, but over your head. If you can't get it over your head, that is a great alternative. Your arms are gonna be like this, and you can press up. So if you can't completely get your legs over right now, try that for now until you can get the momentum and the flexibility to hit what I am about to show you. All right, I'm gonna show you one time and then break down any little corrections or tips I have to get into it. So I'm just gonna start on my knees like this, and there we go. All right, so I actually have one arm here and the other arm is back. So one arm in front supporting me and one arm pressing against the floor as so. All right, would you like to try it with me once? Again, this hand goes down, this arm is going to press against the floor. Ready? And. Whew. Nice, you guys. So those are just some fun little tricks and acro things to dazzle up any party or choreography. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you liked my outfit in today's video, check out the shelf below to get one for yourself. And be sure to check out the rest of the videos in my series. Bye!
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.